Hi friends, today we are going to read some sentence with a phonic sound. New sight words. The and his sentences. A and a man, r and a ran, to, the, wh and when. A man ran to the fan. A and a pan, is, in, the, wh and fan. A fan is in the fan. A at a mat, is, by, the, wh and fan. A mat is by the fan. A at a pat, at a cat, is, on, the, at a mat. A fat cat is on the mat. A at a rat, is, on, the, at a bat. A rat is on the bat. A at a hat, is, on, the, at a rat. A hat is on the rat. D at a dad, as has, at a lad. Dad has a lad. The, at a lad, as has, a cap. The lad has a cap. He, is, at a bad, at a lad. He is a bad lad. Yes, so, at a dad, is, sad. So, dad is sad. At a dad, is, by, the, tap. Dad is by the tap. He, as has, a map, and, at a pad, on, is his, lap. He has a map and a pad on his lap. A cab, is, by, the, dam. A cab is by the dam. A and a man, is, in, the, cab. A man is in the cab. A bag, is, on, the, cab. A bag is on the cab. The bag, as has, a tag. The bag has a tag. A ram, is, by, the, cab. A ram is by the cab. The ram, as has, am. The ram has a am. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.